Again, guys, we have a old bike lock. I cut the cable off a long time ago because it took up too much space, no key. So let's see if we can pick this one. Oh, I just have to put this down there. And if the lock can get to be right about there, I think there is a chance to pick this. It is a long time ago I have picked on it. Alright. There is a problem with it, and that is maybe there. If I put the top of the keyway tension right in the top, it will just go off because it have a curve. So I have to use it in the bottom instead. So let's see if we can open it by SPPing it. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 1, 2, 3, and there we go, guys. I just have to hold that and take this out. Let me get it out of here. There we go. Take it back here. And it is very open. It is also very open, but it's also very easy to pick. Can we get some focus, please? Come on. There we go. If we take this and put it in the top, it will just glide off and we can't pick it. That's because of this curve right there. So I can't use top, I need to use the bottom. But if I take a bottom of the keyway tensioner, because of this plastic, it will end up right there, about there, and we can't pick it. So the easiest way I found is to use the bottom of the keyway, top of the keyway, and put it in the bottom. That's the best way. Yeah, just another quick video for today. So again, guys, thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.